Raw cacao, a natural brain booster. Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about one of nature's most delicious superfoods, raw cacao. Beyond its rich flavor and use in chocolate, raw cacao is a powerful natural source of nutrients that support brain health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Let's explore why this remarkable plant deserves a place in your diet. Raw cacao is packed with flavonols, which are natural compounds known for their antioxidant and neuroprotective properties. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body and the brain, reducing oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. By including raw cacao in your diet, you provide your brain with powerful protection that supports long-term cognitive health. One of the most exciting benefits of raw cacao is its ability to enhance blood flow to the brain. Improved circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells, boosting focus, memory, and mental clarity. This is especially beneficial for students, professionals, or anyone looking to maintain sharp cognitive function throughout the day. Raw cacao also contains magnesium, a mineral essential for brain function and nerve signaling. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, supports mood, and may even reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. Consuming raw cacao regularly can contribute to a calmer, more balanced mind while enhancing overall mental performance. Another key component of raw cacao is theobromine, a natural stimulant related to caffeine but gentler on the nervous system. Theobromine provides a subtle, sustained energy boost without the jittery effects of coffee. This makes raw cacao an excellent choice for mental alertness and sustained focus. Raw cacao is also rich in phenylethylamine, sometimes called the love molecule. Phenylethylamine can improve mood and promote feelings of happiness, while also supporting cognitive function and motivation. This natural mood enhancer makes raw cacao not only brain-boosting but also emotionally uplifting. Additionally, raw cacao contains iron, zinc, and copper, which are essential minerals that support neurotransmitter function, oxygen transport, and overall brain health. These nutrients help maintain energy levels, mental clarity, and focus throughout the day. In practical use, raw cacao can be incorporated into your daily routine in several ways. Raw cacao powder, add to smoothies, shakes, or oatmeal for a nutrient-dense boost. Raw cacao nibs, enjoy as a crunchy snack or sprinkle on yogurt for added texture and flavor. Raw cacao with nuts or seeds, combine with other nutrient-rich foods to support brain and overall health. It is important to distinguish raw cacao from processed chocolate. Many commercial chocolates contain sugar, milk, and additives that reduce the nutritional benefits of cacao. For maximum brain-boosting effects, choose organic, minimally processed raw cacao. In conclusion, raw cacao is much more than a delicious treat. It is a natural brain booster that supports cognitive function, mental clarity, mood, and overall neurological health. Its combination of flavonols, magnesium, theobromine, and other essential nutrients makes it a powerful ally for your brain and mind. By incorporating raw cacao into your daily routine, you can nourish your brain, enhance focus, boost mood, and enjoy the natural pleasure of this ancient superfood. Nature has provided us with a delicious and effective way to support brain health, and raw cacao is a shining example of this wisdom. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the remarkable benefits of raw cacao. Embrace this natural brain booster and let it enhance your cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being every day.